Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Katie, and today I wanted to try out the Wahala Juvia's Place palette. I've been dying to try their palette because I have their liquid lipsticks and they're amazing. They stay on, they do not budge. I love them. And I also use the concealer, which is amazing, but I did get it the wrong color, so I do have to mix it with something else. But once this runs out, I'm gonna try and match better. And I grabbed this one when it came out, and this one is one of their bigger palettes, and the colors is what got me, so I just thought this would be a good one to, you know, start off with, you know, when it comes to eyeshadow. So I'm gonna just wing it and let the colors speak to me. Right now, I am drifting to BU, which is this one. Fighter looks amazing because my favorite color is green, so that looks very pretty. Fire, how to put them together, I am not sure. Wahala is a Nigerian word which they so kindly point out in the back with a little bit more information, and it translates to drama. So I'm gonna try my best and do a dramatic look. So I just finished putting on the eye primer to help the colors pop. So originally when I was filming this, I was just gonna cut this stuff out, but look at how creamy that eyeshadow is. It just applies perfectly. It's so beautiful. I love it, and I just wanted to show you guys. Like, the way it blends is perfect. By the way, I'm starting off with the color BU. Now I'm gonna go in with Busybody. Alright, I'm going in with Fire. I put the color Fire in my crease just to give it some dimension. And I smoked the shadow out for a dramatic look. Now I'm gonna do a half cut crease and go in with over Sabi. And I hope it looks good. Look at that pigment. It's amazing. And like I said, so buttery. I just can't get over how creamy the shadows were. I'm gonna take a little bit of Gossip on my finger and put it on the inner corner of my eyeball. Not my eyeball, but my eyelid. Pigment, one swipe. Now I'm gonna go in with Love on my lower lash line. I know these colors might seem crazy and too much, but I really love how creamy these shadows are, and I want to try and use like every possible color I can. I've never tried Juvia's Place eyeshadow before, and I'm loving it. And I'm sorry guys, but I was just so proud of how great my wings came out, my winged liner. Like, it took a while because I like to go slow and steady, you know, and I can't do the whole one swipe thing, but damn, I am just so proud of how it came out. Plus, if you want to know more about my process on how I do my winged liner, you can watch my tutorial. Don't forget about your brows. And now I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer. Mascara. And I just had more texture on my face than usual, so I just added freckles. Now I'm taking one of Juvia's Place liquid lipsticks and I'm using the shade Yoko Metallic, and I'm gonna use a little brush to apply it just to make the color come out softer instead of directly putting it on with this. I just feel like it, especially with dark colors, it comes out softer when you use a little brush. Alright guys, so here's my final look. I used these 3 products from Juvia's Place to help achieve it, and let me just say that I am like shook with the eyeshadow palette. The colors are not only beautiful, but they're all blendable, and they're like butter. They're so smooth, like creamy. It's not like, it wasn't a pain in the butt to get the colors to blend and all that stuff. Like, I'm very, very happy with the pigment, and I can't wait to try out all the different colors. I really, really do love this eyeshadow palette. I'm just very impressed for, like, I guess, is it the value? Like how many colors I got, plus the quality of the product. It's amazing because Juvia's Place is not like expensive, it's affordable. So I'm very excited. When I run out of my other eyeshadow palettes, I will definitely be purchasing more from Juvia's Place. They have beautiful eyeshadow palettes, a bunch of different ones. But I'd highly recommend checking out at least one of their palettes. Oh my god, I forgot highlight. Who am I? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this look that I did. I think it came out really pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.